So this is how you can recover your Gmail account without a phone number and a recovery email. So simply go to our website. It can be any kind of browser. I'm gonna use Safari. So simply search up recover Gmail account. And once you search that up, you can go on ahead and tap on this first link that says how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So let's go on ahead and go here. And now we can scroll down. So there are two ways of recovering your Gmail because there are very different ways of losing an account. So the first one is forgetting your password. So you can go on ahead and follow these steps from here by simply just typing in your email over here and then signing in. As you can see, it says you will be asked some questions to confirm it's your account, and then you will answer the questions as best as you can. And after that, it's going to ask you to reset your password and type in a new one. So, if this isn't the case that you have, and if you actually forgot the email address, you can go on ahead and follow this tutorial instead. To find your username, follow these steps because you're gonna need to know the full name of your account or a phone number or the recovery email address. But we're not gonna want to look for that because in this case, we don't know what our phone number and our recovery email address is. So let's go tap on follow these steps. And then, as you can see, it's going to ask us what's your name. So enter the name that you entered while creating your Gmail account. If you don't remember, then I don't think there's any other way of recovering your account. So simply type in the first name and last name that you put when you were first creating your account and then tap on next. And then it should show you a list of these usernames and then you could check if one of them is yours. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.